Hey guys, Jake the Motorhead here, and today we're going to be checking out this, the DJI Mini SE. Hope you enjoy the video. Now that you've got your DJI Mini SE, how would you get it in the air? The first step is to take the USB-C to USB-A cable and plug it into the drone like so. Next, plug in the USB-A ends to power and just wait a while. An hour and 22 minutes is normal on an 18-watt charger, and expect about 2 hours on a normal 15-watt charger. Next, the controller. How do you charge it? It comes with a small charge on it, but not really enough to fly. First, unplug the cable that comes with it from the top, as seen here. Next, just plug it into this cable, and the USB-A end goes into power. If you have an Android phone and want to know how to switch out the cable, keep watching. If not, I'll put a timestamp on to show you where to go. After pulling the bottom part open, pull it away to the left as seen here, and then you can just easily remove the cable. Simply plug your phone in and install the DJI Fly app. Power on the controller using the button in the top right. Short press it and then long press it till all of the lights light up. It might only be all of them for a small amount of time because it's not fully charged. When it appears, press the Go Fly button and it will take you to the drone's menu. It'll only be a few seconds till you see some picture. And then, to lift the drone up, press the two sticks together, down and diagonally. Or you can just press the takeoff button like I did here. To make the drone go up or down, push up or down on the left stick. And to make it rotate left or right, push right or left on the left stick. To make the gimbal move up or down, use the wheel on the left-hand side. You can adjust the speed in settings. To make the drone go forwards or backwards, push forwards or backwards on the right stick. To make it move left or right, push left or right on the right stick. guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see some more DJI Mini SE content, leave it down in the comments. Like and subscribe.